Okay, so in this video, we're going to be going over what makes an online business tangible. And tangible means perceptible by touch, clear, indefinite, or real. In our current era of digital marketing, building a company is just not the same as it once was. No longer is the only way for an average individual to build a business by creating an amazing business idea, pitching it to VCs, raising multiple rounds of funding, and then going public. We are seeing a major shift that not many understand yet, and quite frankly, not many are getting into yet. My name is Prestonrhodes. I own automationaccelerator.com, and I've generated over 6 figures in just my first 12 months of digital marketing. I'm 21 years old, and I have this college dropout success story from being an average business major to then running a 6-figure automation agency, helping online business owners build entirely automated businesses. Imagine this, waking up in the morning with a deep understanding of what actually needs to be done in your online company because most of your processes are built to work for you. How would you feel? Well, I'm sure that you would remember why you love what you're doing and why you started in the first place. Over the years, I've noticed a few trends as to why founders fail to build a long-term, tangible asset or artifact in their business that is quietly just holding them back from scaling their first 5 years in business. 1, founders don't know what softwares to use. Software tools will absolutely change the way that you run your business. And with just an arsenal of no-code software tools, you can structure your project management, team communication, service delivery, customer relationship management, and customer support in a way that is simply unbreakable. Number 2, founders don't know how to solve bottlenecks by thinking operationally. There are so many internal, easy to set and forget systems that you didn't even know you needed. Every bottleneck in your business has a solution that can be built by creating systems that automate lack of information, procedures, or action. And number 3, founders overlook small but big changes in how they document operations. There are so many simple things that 7 to 8 figure founders are doing that almost all founders overlook. From leveraging tech to building videos, materials, SOPs, you can replace yourself from nearly every aspect of your business, but you just don't know what to do. Now, the truth is that these problems are completely avoidable if you just follow the right steps and processes and you have the right knowledge. Although your business is run entirely online, it doesn't have to feel that way. In fact, one word that has crossed my mind every single time that I work with founders to build systems is the word tangible. And what do I mean? I know how it feels to be heads down 10 hours a day in your business to where you feel that it would fall to pieces without you. The good thing is, if this is you, you already are in a position where you have proof of concept, and now your biggest problem is to stop being a glorified freelancer and to remove yourself from areas that drain you every single day in your business. By stepping away from your business and looking at it like a system and a conveyor belt, you can identify areas that can run themselves. For example, the time to value for your clients and how you get them the necessary information or value of what they have purchased from you. What does that look like if you took on 20 clients at once today? I want you to ask yourself that. Do you even know how that would look or work? Imagine how that would feel if you were to take on 20 clients at once today. To make a completely online business feel tangible, you must look at it like a system and break your business down into just a few parts to start. The systems that we've broken down are below. Number 1, client acquisition. How are you currently acquiring clients, and how much time does it take away from you every day? Do you feel like you're just a salesperson, and are you forgetting your job is actually providing a valuable service, not just taking your customers' money? How can you acquire new clients effortlessly and build a system that brings them to you? It is possible to build systems that all you have to do is show up and you will get new business. Number 2, client onboarding. What is the time to value for your clients? Are they getting buyer's remorse because you can't act fast enough with your current workload? How can you ensure that they at least receive some form of value or action from your company outside of a welcome email? How can you ensure to them immediately that they are going to get what they paid for, or at least feel like it? Number 3, project management. Are you still playing a part in fulfilling all of the work and tasks from taking your client from A to Z? Is your process for fulfilling a client not the same exact steps every time? If not, then why so? This is the easiest part to scaling your online business by building out a step standardization of procedures that you can automate. Number 4, customer support. Do you still view, analyze, and act on any of the support requests or concerns about billing to your customers? Doesn't this drain you? Why do you have clients texting or calling your phone number? If you don't get a package from Amazon, you don't call Jeff Bezos asking for help. When you break down your online business into these 4 sections, it's easy to see what needs to be replaced with systems, virtual assistants, automation, or even AI integration. When systemizing processes, you need to understand that you have full control over how your business operates, and you don't need a large team of people just yet. Just automation and a VA could simply be enough. So what do you notice? Customer acquisition can be easy and effortless. With the right organic and or paid content strategy, you can effectively communicate your offer to millions of eyeballs and gather prospect information through lead forms. Once it's filled out, we can automate the entire process of converting them to a customer outside of 1 or 2 sales calls. What happens when you acquire a customer? The entire process of getting your customer into your systems can be entirely automated through just Zapier workflows, unlocking automatic access to all of the different aspects of your offer. By building a simple funnel, you can automatically provide your customers with next steps to book a welcome call, fill out an onboarding form, access Google Drive folders, access modules, etc. What do you or your team do to start working without actually working? With one set offer, one client avatar, one pain point and problem that you are solving, and one dialed in system of understanding those touch points to get your client from A to Z, you can automate the creation of each step in a project management tool to automatically delegate it to team members. Well, what about fulfilling for past clients or reoccurring clients who need support? Well, by simply understanding your procedure for fulfilling additional requests from customers, you can communicate the use of a ticketing system for requests, drawing anyone away from calling, texting, or emailing you. You can also put your clients in a Slack channel with team members for an experience that feels effective and tangible for your clients as well. It sounds difficult still and impossible for a beginner to understand, but it doesn't have to be. The answer to these systems are actually right in front of you. It just requires some critical thinking. Software does the job for us around 80% of the time, or at least it should. It's all about just leveraging these simple and low-cost effective solutions that have already been built for you and for your bottleneck. So what software is used to acquire clients effortlessly? Number one is social media. When you think about all of these, they are all software tools. And on social media, we are creating engaging form content that provides actionable value to our ideal client avatar, and we're repurposing it across multiple platforms for more eyeballs. The market wants utility, and so does the algorithm. Right now, you see all of this BS online. Nobody wants to watch that. People want utility. They are craving utility. So we are creating engaging short form content that provides utility. And then number two, websites or funnels. Then we are directing traffic to a landing page with one funnel and one offer that can be easily communicated. No link tree or anywhere else except a simple landing page with a call to action. Number three, application forms. We are asking questions to our ideal prospect to make sure that we can work with them and that they can fit our criteria for our offer. This way, you can automate what customers get on your calendar and what unqualified prospects get sent elsewhere. Number four, Calendly widgets. We are then having our potential customers book calls with ourselves or our sales team after filling out an application to work with us and being qualified. You can even use this as the first step in the funnel and add questions to it about budget, criteria, or asking questions about their business to make sure they're qualified. And then number five is paid ad lead forms. We are running paid advertisements with engaging creatives with the call to action being filling out a lead form for the same offer with the same messaging. Good for those without good organic engagement or without a personal brand overall. And then we are using CRMs to track the status of inbound prospects and adding them to SMS or email campaigns to provide them with additional value before calls or just to make a discovery call. Number seven, then we're on Zoom. We are holding recorded Zoom meetings with qualified prospects and pitching them on our services to close on the call or take a deposit on the call. We are showing up well dressed with a nice background or a professional setting as well. And then number eight is e-sign contracts. We are using online contracts to guarantee our pipeline and deals, as well as using this as our trigger for giving them automated access to next steps. So this is the softwares that we use and that everyone uses for acquiring clients effortlessly. Social media, websites or funnels, application forms, Calendly widgets, paid ads, a CRM, Zoom, and a contract platform. These are all ways that we're going to replace ourselves from our online business and make it feel tangible. All of these are considered systems that are going to help you in acquiring a customer. The only manual key to this is the salesperson who's going to take the calls, follow up, and move deals to the close stage. Next, what software is used to onboard clients effortlessly? Number one is Google Forms. We're automatically sending our clients an intake onboarding form to gather important information about our new customer and then sharing it with team members automatically in Slack after it's filled out. We are also storing client info in our Google Drive. And then number two, Google Drive. We are automatically creating Google Drive folders and subfolders to organize materials, documents, or resources we give to our clients or need from our clients. We're using a search feature in Zapier for our resources and then adding copies of those to the folders, all done automatically. Then number three is Slack, where we are automatically creating our communication channel for our team and our client, where we can automatically add members and send a welcome message and a welcome video with the next steps to fill out a form or book an onboarding call. And then number four is Gmail. We are automatically sending our new clients a welcome email with action required for next steps to book an onboarding call or fill out an onboarding form. This is where we set the expectations for the future of how we work together with our clients and what they need to do. Number five is Calendly and Zoom. We have an onboarding calendar for our onboarding call to gather any necessary information from our clients, as well as answer any questions and ensure that they have access to all of our systems. This is done through Calendly and Zoom. And number six is School. We have a community plus a course module platform for our clients that will allow them access to necessary courses, instructions, or done with you aspects of your offer, drastically decreasing the time to value for our clients in a new and engaging way, all done through automation. And so these are all considered systems that are going to help you in onboarding clients. And as you see here, once we break down our onboarding process, the only manual key to this piece is the client success manager or the person who takes the onboarding call to ensure access to the systems. Everything else that we went over here above is automatically given to our clients as soon as we sign them on, and that's all done through automation, allowing you to spend nearly 0 hours in the onboarding process through implementing these systems or replacing yourself with a customer success manager. Everything else above can be used to automatically give access to essential materials, removing you. So, what software is used to manage projects effortlessly? And keep in mind, we're going over the 4 things right here: client acquisition, client onboarding, project management, and customer support. We've broken down our business into these 4 aspects, and now we are talking about how we're going to remove ourselves from each of these processes through just setting up simple softwares or systems that can work for us. So we are back onto managing projects effortlessly. Number 1, ClickUp or Asana, a project management tool. We are automatically creating tasks for our team members with SOPs for how to complete the service and adding subtasks explaining each step of the way for getting the project done. We can take the data from the forms that we have and attach it to the task and automatically set a start date, a due date, a priority, and assign team members effectively. So now we can trigger the entire project to be created with tasks and subtasks and delegate them out automatically in a project management software. Then we're using something like Miro or Lucidchart to visually map out the roadmap for taking our clients from A to Z and then sharing it with our team to visualize the flow of the project. And then number 3, we are using an AI tool called Scribe to automatically create SOPs with AI to easily create interactive step-by-step guides for all of our processes that we can give to our team members or give to our clients so that no human error can occur in all of these steps. Then we are using Loom. We are having team members record and send Looms for each step of the process to document it for training or give to our clients as an asset for their company. And then number 5 is Slack. We are following up consistently with clients in Slack, asking them for anything if needed and ensuring that they are up to date with the status of our project or the performance of our project. We are linking bookmarks in the Slack channel for easy access to materials as well. And then number 6 is Zapier, where we are automating all the tools that we use to effortlessly delegate out tasks, give access to documents, fire off messages and resources, create folders, etc. All of these are considered systems that will help you in managing projects. The only manual key to this piece is the VA or the person actually completing the task that it takes to fulfill the service, all of which the tasks and subtasks, SOPs, or instructions can be automated. So what software is used to provide exceptional customer service? Number 1 is Google Forms, where we are creating a ticket form for our clients and we are asking questions about what they need help or fixed. And when it's filled out, we're having it automatically send us Slack messages and create tasks for our VAs. Number 2 is Slack. We are sending automatic messages to our team members when we get new support tickets that have been created in the system, and then we're following up with our clients 24 hours in Slack. Then in ClickUp, we are automatically creating tasks for our VAs to fulfill on the support requests, and then setting a due date, start date, priority, assignees, etc. And then number 4, on Loom, we are recording the solutions or documenting the processes of solving that support ticket through Loom videos, and then sharing it with the team or with our clients to explain the solution. And then number 5 is Gmail, where we're automatically sending our clients a message in Gmail about getting their support ticket with expectations for when they should get an answer. Number 6 is Zapier, where we're going to automate all of the data of the ticket so that I can go onto a sheet, send us messages, fire off emails, create reminders. All of this is done through Zapier. So all of these are considered systems that are going to help you in providing customer service. The only manual key to this piece is the VA or the person who's completing the task, fulfilling the support ticket, or responding to a customer, all of which can be done automatically by delegating and pushing it to correct team members through automation. All of this can be automated. So let's take a step back. I know this is a lot, but once again, we've broken your business down into the 4 sections that we discussed, and that is client acquisition, client onboarding, project management, and customer service. Think about your current processes and where your time is spent. Then remember what we just went over with leveraging simple software tools. You'll realize once again that nearly 80% of your entire business can be automated, or you can set up a system to do it for you. Obviously, we're not talking about Fortune 500 companies with hundreds of team members and thousands of clients, but understanding the need for these systems like this will make it possible for you to once become a business at such capacity. What other option do you have? But how do you build something so valuable and one time and then replicate it effortlessly? It comes down to just a few things that business owners overlook in their offer. Number 1 is videos for different customer touch points. We are creating pre-booked call videos explaining what to expect, engaging video sales letters for our funnels, welcome videos for our onboarding, modules explaining topics more in depth that your customers will see in an automated fashion, ongoing their journey with your company. Number 2, interactive modules or even done with you aspects of your offer. We're building out all of our SOPs, training videos, assets, interactive guides, or program modules in a done with you fashion to hold our clients' hand through some processes and also hold them accountable. We're also building checklists with hyperlinked resources. So we're creating valuable documents in Google Drive or on Google Docs that explain our processes or systems in depth, and hyperlinking any important materials, resources, SOPs, videos, links, etc., making it super easy for our clients to get access to. Number 4, we are building standard operating procedures for everything in our business. We are making sure that our processes are consistent across delivering for all of our ideal customers so that we can do a process once, record it, and then put it into automated tasks and descriptions for our team members. And then number 5 is community and exclusivity. We are building out a module or a e-learning asset or even a program as a downsell for our high ticket offer, but then also giving our high ticket clients access to it at no additional cost, and giving this to them as a training asset for team members of their company, while also giving them access to a community that shares wins that they've had with your company. Do not overlook these things. They are simple. They are all key aspects in creating an online business that you can almost touch and feel because you've systemized it into a solid foundation. If you want to scale your business past 10K a month, 25K a month, 50K a month, even 100K a month, you will not be able to do it without going through all of these steps and processes. Your main goal as the business owner should be spending your time on creating content, driving sales, and leading your team to the next level, as well as recognizing the need for systems like this to replace busy work. Everything that we discussed in this sales letter has saved thousands of hours a year in successful companies and online businesses, as well as saved hundreds of thousands on overhead. This stuff is not hard to learn, and it must be learned if you want a chance in today's market. So if you want to work with myself and my company to save you hundreds of hours and thousands of tasks per month so you can have a tangible business and that you can set it and forget it with the right systems in place to generate tens of thousands of dollars $5 a month, go to automationaccelerator.com and apply with us to see if our DIY offer can help you. And if you want me to automate your entire business from start to finish in less than 30 days, then go to instantscalability.com and apply to work with me. And if everything makes sense for the both of us, we'll go from there.